Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this symbol and this young man, and they want this part to go away. They just want this upper part. And they told me what they did. They tried back minus front, that didn't work. They tried front minus back, and that doesn't work. So we're just gonna, I don't know how this line was created. And I'm gonna show you how to draw that also. I did that a long time ago in a video. Make you two ellipses and have them about that far apart. Then take these two and duplicate them and then hold down the control button. And if you will look right here or right there, and this is all depending on the size of your angle. You know, if I would have gone a little differently, let's move that out of the way. And you can change the angle by, well, let's make our nudge factor like 0.25. And let's nudge this over. And see how I got a different angle now, more so like in his. So what you do now is left click, right click, and go up and make it pretty little. Let's make it 0.1. That's a little thick. And the most important thing you could do now, so his is a little thicker. We can always change the thickness now to 0.1. And we can match that blue very easily, but we're not going to yet. Let's just get this out of the way. And it's a line. It's a curve, but it's a line. So what you need to do to go to object and convert the outline to an object. Then when you do, you can left click, right click, and look what you have. So we need to make it a little bit bigger, make it more like the original. And I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. I want to make sure the young man is in the center of the page. And then all you have to do is fill this in. So what we're going to, let's set our nudge factor back to 3 inches, like they had it. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and if you need that color, get your eyedropper and take a sample of that and fill that in. And then what's so neat about this, you can take the line and move it away. And you have that disappeared. Now, I don't know if he needed the bottom part. You know, just in case you did need the bottom part, you could just take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. I actually think the shield looks better like that because it looks like it's behind him and his body is cut off anyway. Anyway, that's pretty easy. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.